Massive higher education funding cuts in Indiana mean staff cuts at one local school. Indiana State University President Daniel Bradley says after a budget cut earlier this year, additional cuts will now force job reductions. News 10's Jessica Hayes joins us now live in the studio with details. Jessica?
Governor Daniels handed down higher education cuts earlier this month. Now we know Indiana State's funding will be cut by more than 6.5%, nearly $10.5 million from now through June 2011. Funds will be cut in stages, $3.8 million for the remainder of this school year, $6.6 million for the following. ISU President Daniel Bradley says it's too early to know how many jobs will be cut, but he says the majority of ISU's operating budget is for personnel costs. So funding reductions mean staff reductions.
We'll definitely be cutting positions. With the retirement incentive and being very careful about hiring new people, I think we can keep the number of non-voluntary reductions to a minimum.
As ISU tries to increase enrollment and graduation rates, Bradley says the school will work to ensure cuts affect students as little as possible.
Maybe we'll have a fewer classes, but I think from an instructional point of view, the changes will be fairly minimal.
Administrators plan to work over the next few weeks to determine which areas to cut. They'll present their suggestions to ISU's board in February.